Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, in a school science fair, there were projects from class A, class B and class C. Altogether, 25 projects came from class B and class C. If a total of 16 projects were not from class C and a total of 15 projects were not from class B, how many projects were there altogether? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many projects were there altogether. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let A, B, C represent the number of projects from class A, class B and class C respectively. B plus C equals to 25. Total projects from class B and C. A plus B equals to 15. Total projects not from class C. A plus C equals to 16. Total projects not from class B. Adding the last three equations. B plus C, A plus B plus A plus C equals to 25 plus 15 plus 16. 2a plus 2b plus 2c equals to 56. Take common as 2. 2 of a plus b plus c equals to 56. A plus b plus c equals to 56 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 28 ja 56. A plus b plus c equals to 28. Substituting b plus c equals to 25 into equation. A plus b plus c equals to 28. B plus c is 25. So a plus 25 equals to 28. A equals to 28 minus 25 equals to 3. Substituting a equals to 3 into the equation. A plus b equals to 15. A is 3. 3 plus b equals to 15. B equals to 15 minus 3. B equals to 12. Substituting b equals to 12 into the equation. B plus c equals to 25. We know b value is 12. 12 plus c equals to 25. C equals to 25 minus 12 equals to 13. Total projects are, we have to add all. A plus b plus c equals to 3 plus 12 plus 13 equals to 28. So the total projects in all classes are 28. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see step-by-step process. The second question is, Josh and Nick had 50 and 90 clips respectively. After each of them gave away an equal number of clips, Nick had thrice as many clips as Josh. How many clips did they give away altogether? Josh and Nick had 50 and 90 clips. So we have to find how many clips did they give away altogether. Let's see how to solve this problem. Josh had 50 clips. Nick had 90 clips. Let's x be the number of clips each person gave away. Joe's remaining clips equals to 50 minus x. Nick's remaining clips equals to 90 minus x. Nick's remaining clips are 3 times Joe's remaining clips. In the question they given that. So the equation is 90 minus x equals to 3 of 50 minus x. 90 minus x equals to 3 multiplied by 50 equals to 150 minus 3x. Minus x plus 3x equals to 150 minus 90. 2x equals to 60. X equals to 60 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 30 ja 60. X equals to 30. So each person gave away 30 clips. Since both Josh and Nick gave away 30 clips each, the total number of clips give away is 30 plus 30 equals to 60. 60 clips gave away altogether. If you have any doubts regarding these two problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.